after missing our stay last time at Alobijod Cove, we decided to book another 3 days here to celebrate my birthday.
Hello! Okay. Hi! Welcome to our room at Alobijod Resort on Guimaras Island. Of course, you have your comfort room, and it is lovely tile and a hanger for your stuff and a lovely plant, and of course a handy toilet and sink. And if you're watching from North America or other places, we call that the bathroom. Okay. And we have 2 lovely chairs here, which is wonderful to put our stuff on. And I bet you we're going to spend some time there too. And look at this. This is a lovely bed. Woo! It is comfortable. And we have a kettle. And we brought our own cups for the kettle. And look at this. We like cream in our coffee, so we use this cream. Of course, it's hot in the Philippines, so aircon is important to us. And what is behind here? What do you think it is? This room is called the room on the 2nd floor, sea view. And if you'll notice on our deck, we have a lovely big table and 2 very comfortable chairs where we will be having our coffee tomorrow morning. So this is going to be our home, away from home, for the next several days. And also, we're going to be jumping into that sea. We will let you know how it is.
Okay, this is from the rooms down to the beach. Your turn. Absolutely.
Okay. I'm going to get wet. And look at the sunshine. Okay. I tried to get you. I put it.
Did you go swimming again?
Still here, we've been out the boat.
Oh, did you go on the boat hopping one?
And here we go. Our time at Alobijod Cove has come to an end. Sadly, it's time to say goodbye to this wonderful warm water and the great facilities.
April, May, just like that. A little bit higher, but
Right.
not too much.
Right?
The road is small.
They are doing a lot of work here.
Yeah, because actually
Van
this time,
from Alobijod Resort. Very lovely
actually
van.
this road is under construction
Right?
because it's a mountain. It's
Yeah.
too high.
Yeah.
So they dredge for a long time. So
Yeah.
because the equipment is not too much like in your country, the bigger,
Yes.
and heavy.
Yes.
Only in the Philippines, that's like that also. Small equipment only.
We have many mountains.
Yes.
And our roads, we have a lot of work just like you here, just like this. They have to carve down the mountain.
Then the road here is too small.
Yeah.
It's only 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes like that in your country, I think.
Yeah,
4
well,
lanes side by side, 8 lines.
It-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
no,
It's like that.
no, not where we come from. Where we come from, many roads are just like this.
Okay.
Because we come from north of Vancouver. We're
Okay.
we are more like